Example 3. A graphic designer is creating an advertisement for a tablet. She needs to enlarge the picture given here so that 25 hundredths inches on the scale picture corresponds to 1 inch on the actual advertisement. What will be the length and width of the tablet on the advertisement? All right, so we're going to start by finding our scale factor. So we're going to do our start to our end. So I'm starting on my picture. Try to get words in here. So we're going to start with our picture, and we're going to the advertisement. So up here, so that says 1/4 inch on the scale picture. So on my picture, we're talking about 1/4 inch. I'm going to write that as a fraction since I see I have fractions here. And then that corresponds to 1 inch on the advertisement. All right, so again, this is my X and this is my Y. So I'm going to take my Y divided by my X. So to find my scale factor, I do my Y divided by my X. So I'm dividing fractions, so I'm going to do my keep, change, flip. So keep, change, flip. So that means my scale factor is 4. All right, I'm going to label my sides. So I'm going to do the top one as side 1, and I'll do the side as side 2. So let's start with side 1. So I'm going to start with the actual measurement on the picture, since that's where we're starting. So 1 1/8, we're going to apply the scale factor. So I need to turn this into an improper fraction. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9, so I have 9/8 times 4/1. And now let's multiply. I do see that both of these are divisible by 4, so I'm going to go ahead and simplify before I multiply. 4 divided by 4 is 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So now I can multiply. 9 times 1 is 9, 2 times 1 is 2. When I simplify and pull this back out to a mixed number, 2 goes into 9 4 times. So then I would be taking the 4 times 2, so 8 pieces out, and I would be left with 1. So it would be 4.5 inches, because we went inches to inches. All right, I'm going to scoot this up, and let's do side 2. All right, so side 2 measures 1 1/4 inch. I'm going to apply my scale factor. I need to make this to an improper fraction. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So 5/4 times, I'm going to turn this into a fraction, 4/1. I notice these are both 4s on the diagonal, so I can divide both of those by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. And now we can multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. So this would be 5 inches. So, final answer, the tablet in the advertisement is 4 1/2 inches by 5 inches.